Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of smart cleaning with the 2-in-1 Mopping and Vacuuming Robot, a versatile device that combines the power of vacuuming and mopping for an effortless cleaning experience. This innovative robot features a non-rolling brush suction port to prevent tangles and a 230 ml electronic control water tank, making it perfect for all hard floors, including wood, tiles, and granite. With its slim 2.87-inch design, it easily navigates under furniture and tight spaces, while advanced 3D obstacle avoidance and drop sensing technology ensure it avoids walls, stairs, and other obstacles. The robot is equipped with a high-capacity 2,500 mAh battery, allowing it to clean for up to 100 minutes and automatically return to its charging base when needed. You can control this smart device via the Tuya smart app or through voice commands with Google Assistant, offering convenience and flexibility at your fingertips. Choose from 4 high-efficiency cleaning modes: Auto, Spot, Edge, and Zigzag, and customize settings like cleaning direction and mop water flow for a tailored cleaning experience. With noise levels below 65 decibels, this robot vacuum ensures a quiet operation, letting you relax and enjoy your home while it takes care of the cleaning. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.